Tutorial number 43. We're going to talk about the edge fillet. Normally the edge fillet you can see it on the right side, and if you don't see it, simply go to Tools, Customize to reset all the previous menus, and here on toolbar restore all content and restore all positions, close. So now you can be able to find the dress up features, which include the edge fillet, or simply you can go to insert, dress up feature, edge fillet. So now let's apply the edge fillet on this part we created in the previous tutorial. Simply you can select the edge where you want to fillet and edge fillet, and you can add the radius of that fillet. So you can write 10, and the selection, make sure that you select the edge we want to. Again, it's edge fillet, selection, this is engaged in a sketch, that's why it's not choosing, so let's hide it. Now let's again choose this edge fillet. So now the object here is selected. Now let's make it 10 millimeter. You can press preview before to see how it looks, and then OK. So you can apply the edge fillet on circular edges. Let's choose this edge and let's make 2 millimeter, preview, OK. And also you can select the entire face where you can apply the fillet in all the edges. So let's select the edge fillet and choose this face. You can see face 2 is selected, and you have 2 millimeter radius, and click OK. So you are able to fillet the whole face. And if you want to select some edges, let's make the fillet to be 5 millimeter, and in the selection we can choose this edge and this edge only, review, OK. So let's make again to be 2 millimeter, OK. So now we are able to make the fillet. It has to be matching the same intersecting fillet on that edge. So now we got an idea how to use the edge fillet.